Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to make a quiz game in Scratch. Okay, so basically a quiz game in Scratch is a game where you have many questions and you must answer them to get points. Plus you will obviously have your time and your score. So let's start coding. First of all, as you can see, it's sprite 1, our default sprite. So just click on delete. Okay, now we will click on choose a backdrop. So click on choose a backdrop. Now we will choose blue sky number 2, just like so. Okay, now we will click on choose a sprite. Okay, now let's see, let's go to animals. Well, there are no humans here, so let's go to people. There should be one. Well, you can choose any one you like, but I will choose which. All right, now as you can see here, it says size. I will set the size to be something like 70. Okay, it works fine for me. So now let's go to events and drag it when the green flag is clicked, and I'll make it a little bigger. Okay, so when the green flag is clicked, I'll go to looks, then hide. Okay, so let's see. As you can see, it's hidden. All right, now we will paint a new sprite. Okay, now just click on the magnifying glass with the positive sign to make it a little big. No, this is perfect. So now click on text, select the fill to be any color you want. I will use a red fill. All right, now I will type Q1 with this, obviously. So our question number 1 will be 1 minute. Oh, no, I forgot the question, so let me memorize it. Oh yes, it is, we will write what is the capital of the USA? Remember guys, it's your option. You can choose anything you want, even math questions. Okay, so now click on the mousey thing, hold down also and make this a little big. Oh, too big, I guess. Small. Oh, I'm actually holding down the windows. No, it's too big, so I'll hold on also this time. Okay, this size is perfect for me, like so. Now click on text again. We will write number A with this thing, obviously, and our number A, which is obviously the option, will be New York. All right, our first option will be New York. Oh yes, New York. And I'll just make this a little bigger. All right, option will be New York. Now again click on text and just write number B with this thing, obviously. Our number B will be let's see. Oh yeah, our number B will be Las Vegas. Vegas, like so. Okay, like so. Now I'll place it somewhere here, just like so. Now again I will click on text and do number C with the half bracket, obviously, and our C option will be Washington. W A S was. Oh, sorry, Washington DC. Well, it's your wish. Click on the mouse and make it a little bigger and place it a little low. Now the last option will be, let's see, option will be number D, Chicago, like so, and the mouse obviously. Place it a little low. And guys, yeah, what was I? Oh yes, guys. By the way, before we answer the question, let's just make, you know, let's just make ticks and crosses. Okay, ticks and crosses. All right, so we will click on choose a sprite, and we will search. Yes, we will search TICK. Oh, no, it's really not appearing. Oh, as you can see, it's button number 4. All right, so okay, like so. Now let's go to events, and we'll drag it when the green flag is clicked. Let's go to looks. First of all, we'll hide this block. Then we'll go here. All right, and after that we will show. But before we show, we'll just do something. And sorry, let's go to sprite number 1. I'll select everything and move this up. No, and I will just make this smaller. Like so. Now I'll just bring these up close. Okay. Oh, sorry. Oh, okay. Like so. Now, okay. Now let's go to events, okay, and drag A when the green flag is clicked. Okay, so when the green flag is clicked, let's go to controls and drag it forever block so it repeats forever. Now let's go to looks, sensing, okay, and drag a ask. We will ask pick sorry oh no, yeah, pick the correct answer, like so. All right, now let's go to controls and we'll drag an if then block. Okay, now let's go to operators and we'll drag equals block. Now let's go to sensing and drag if the answer equals number C, which will be capital obviously. Okay, so if our answer is C, then let's go to events and we'll broadcast message number 1. Click on message number 1 and do TIC, tick. Now click on OK. And by the way, instead of an if then block, I will use an if then else block. So I will put everything away. We'll delete this. Now let's go to events again. We'll drag an if then else block. Now put this here. Then we'll broadcast tick. All right. Now let's go to events and else we will broadcast. Click on message 1 and do WRONG, wrong. Now click on OK. Now let's go to button number 4 and we'll just drag this. So when the green flags click, it's hidden. Okay. Now when I receive tick, we will show. Hopefully it should work. Let's see. It's asking us to pick the correct answer. As you can see, it's just touching. So let's just put these a little more up. So hold on the shift obviously. No. Okay, it will do. Just one shift. Okay, it will do. It says pig, and instead of this Okay, that'll do. But it's, you can see it's hidden. Okay, so let's go to button 4. Okay, and put this here like so. Now the same operation, let's go to sprite number 1, make this a little smaller and drag everything here. Okay, if then now let's go to controls and drag it forever block. Okay, as you can see it's saying pick the correct answer. Now let's just zoom in and let's write C, capital C. Correct, like so. Okay, now let's go to here. Now let's go here. We can just delete this as we pretty much don't need it. So let's try this one more time. Pick the correct answer. Let's see. I will write C. Okay, it will show, right? I think let's just drag these back here like so. Now we'll put this here because it just keeps on asking and we can just delete it. This, but now you might ask, how will we see USA? Okay, so let's go to sprite 1. Okay, now click on the text and click on this. Now go into the and just click on enter. All right, now put this down. So select the mouse. One. Okay, maybe somewhere here. Okay, no, maybe too much. Hopefully it should work. Let's see. Nope, it's still not working. So let's, okay, you can see it's still occupying off. So let's just hit the undo button 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. Hit it until you see something like this. Okay, so now select this and go here. Now do this. Okay, now as you can see, we'll select the mouse. Just one shift will do. Maybe a bit too much. Okay, it will do just fine. Now let's see. Yeah, what is the capital of the USA? It's showing clearly. And if I write C, alright, just like so. And now we will again choose another sprite. I will search. Oh, no need to search, it's here. Click on this. Now let's go to costumes and we'll select this. Okay, now same operation. When the green flag is clicked, let's go to looks and we will hide this. Okay, now let's go to events and when I receive check, click on check and do wrong. Then let's go to motion, looks. Then so we will show plus, let's go here. Now we'll go to XY, this position. And okay, after that, go here, click on the right side of your mouse. Now click on duplicate. Alright, now here. Okay, after that, let's just go to controls. We will wait something like 0.7 seconds. Alright, so if I write capital C, alright, and after it's being showed, alright, we can just wait 0.5 seconds. Then let's go to looks and we'll hide. Let's try this out. See, it's right. Okay, then it hides like so. Now let's go to sprite number 1. Okay, now let's go to variables, click on make a new variable and we will make as CORE. Now click on OK. Another, call this TIME, time. Alright. Now, when the green flag is clicked, we can click on my variable and do score to 0. Plus, when the green flag is clicked, we'll click on my variable and do time to 10 seconds. Alright. Now, let's go to events. We'll drag another one green flag clicked. Now let's go to looks. Forever. Alright. Forever. We'll wait something like 1 second, obviously. Now let's go to variables and we can change my variable. Click on my variable and do time by -1. Plus, when the flag is clicked, here we'll hide both variables. So click on my variable, do score, and click on my variable and do the time. And just for now, I can just show this to show you it works. Alright. As you can see, it's 10, 9, 8, 7. It'll change by 1, Now we can peacefully hide my variable, time, by 1. We'll hide time. Now let's go to backdrops. Okay, now let's go to backdrops. Just select everything, click on copy. Now let's go here and we'll just paste this like so. Now when the green flag is clicked, let's just go here and hide this so that you can focus. So when the green flag is clicked, let's go to text, select the fill to be a greenish fill. You can choose any fill you want. Then we will write, you have 10, or you can just write it in the numbers. You have 10 seconds, seconds. You have 10 seconds. Hit enter 2 times. Then we'll write for every ANS, or answer for short. For every answer, one answer equal one score. And double enter and just write good luck. Now click on the mousey thing to make this big, really big, like so. Now let's go to sprite number 1. When the green flag is clicked, let's go to looks. We will show this, okay? But let's go to controls. We will wait something like 1.5 seconds. So it's exactly 1.5 seconds. Now let's go to backdrops, obviously. Now let's go to events. When the green flag is clicked, I'll make it a little bigger. So when the green flag is clicked, let's go to looks. We can switch backdrop to click on blue sky and do backdrop number 1. Then let's go to controls. We'll wait 1.5 seconds. Then let's go to looks and we can again switch backdrop to blue sky number 2. So let's see. Oh, sorry, we will wait 1.5 seconds before we show. Oh, yeah, and when the flag is clicked, we'll hide. And yeah, when the flag's clicked, we can just put it here. Okay, so let's see. You have oh, maybe it's a bit too short, something like 2.6 seconds. Now let's go to backdrops and 2.6 seconds. So let's full screen this. You have 10 seconds. One answer equals one score. Good luck. Okay, then it appears. No problem. Pretty nice. And if we make this messed up, we get a cross. Ooh, let's just see if it works or not. So I write something like D cross, like so. Plus, let's go to controls. Then we can just wait 0.5 seconds. Then we'll hide again, like so. And no need to try it out because I'm 100% sure it will work. Now, maybe I just want to add something. Never mind. We don't need to add something. Maybe later. So let's go to sprite number 1. All right. Now it will do say pick the correct answer. Let's go to costumes now. Choose the instead of choosing we can just paint. Now let's go here. I'll copy everything, so click on copy. Now go here and click on paste. Now let's go to text. Okay, it should be question number 2, and our question number 2 will be okay, and our question okay, and our question number 2 will be let me just re-see this, or whatever you might call it. Oh yeah, what is the capital of France? So instead of USA we can just do France, France, like so. What is the capital of France? All right, now let's go to code. Listen, forever ask, pick the correct answer. First we will switch costume to click on costume 2 and do costume 1. Then we can just do costume number 2, like so. Okay, first I know the answer. C. Right. C. Correction. Yeah. Obviously something is wrong, right? Okay, we can just wait something like 7 seconds. Then let's go to events and can broadcast tick. Click on tick and do new message. Obviously say something like yes. Okay, now when I receive yes, we can go to controls and just forever. Before we do it, let's just switch these two up. So let's see. Okay, I know it's C. Yeah, it does work. Sorry, when I click on tick and do yes. Oof. Let's see this again. Let's see. Hey, before we just ask, we can just switch this top part, and I think instead of broadcasting we can just delete the broadcasts and we'll put this back here. So let's see if it works or not. Okay, the answer should be C. Okay, it works pretty fine. Let me just try this one more time. Smooth, so smooth. And obviously let's just do this. And obviously guys, let's go to costumes. Obviously these shouldn't be these. So let's just delete New York and we will write some obvious names like room, R-O-M-E, room. Then we will write Madrid, which is in Portugal or Portugal. Madrid. Okay, Madrid. Now click on this again. After that we will do Berlin, and last but not least we'll do Paris. Okay, like so. Now let's go into the code. So if answer equals C, we obviously know it's D. So if answer equals D, then it will happen. So let's just try this out. Full screen this. I know this one is, it will be C. Okay, this will be D. Correction. Now let's go to costumes and we'll make another one, obviously. So we will choose another costume and paint. Go here, you know the drill. Select the mouse, copy this thing, go here and paste this, just like so. Now our third question will be, which ocean is the longest? Okay, so let's just write it. I will just use the text, obviously. Remember guys, you can choose any question, even math, as long as it is fun. Okay, so what is the longest ocean in the world? Oh. Like so. And obviously these should change because Rome isn't literally even an ocean. So first option will be Atlantic, which is very common, and you will know it very well if you have heard the Titanic. So let's go to number 2. It will be Pacific. Okay, so our next one will be Indian. If you don't know Indian, it's just an ocean located in India, not located around India. And this will be Arctic. I'm not even sure if Arctic is an ocean or not, but that'll do, I think. Okay, so let's go to the code. Now again, let's go here. Okay, now click on the right side of your mouse. We'll click on duplicate. Now we'll put this here. Now after waiting 0.7 seconds, click on costume 2 and do costume number 3. Okay, then I know the answer is Pacific. Okay, so if answer equals B, then these will happen. So let's see. Oh, one more thing, let's go to costumes. We'll just change the 2 to 3. Oh, sorry, which is a very important detail. So let's see, you have 10 seconds, blah blah blah, 1 second, 1 score back. Which is number C, I hope. Thank you. The second is what is the capital of France? I think it's Rome. I mean Paris. Correction, what is it? Wow. Let's see. It is B, right? Yep, correction. Alright. Now let's go to costumes. Now we can just paint another. So go here and paint a costume. So now let's go here. Let's select the mouse thing. We'll select everything. Now click on copy, go here, and we can just click on paste like so. Now let's click on text. The question will be question number 4. And I think our question number 4 will be sorry, our question our question number 4 will be, you know, the Amazon rainforest is in, or we can just write it in the question form, which is, where is the Amazon located in? Well, since it's a bit too hard for me, we can just try something else, like, well, where is Mount Everest located? I mean, in which range is Mount Everest located? So let's see. Sorry, yeah. In sorry, in which sorry, in which range is the Mount Mount Everest like so, Everest located? Yeah, this should do. And obviously we must change the, options. So we'll do Andes. First will be Andes, then it will be the Rockies, or Rookie maybe, Rockies, like so. Now our third will be Himalayas, and our last will be Alps. Okay, so let's go inside the code, and we will, do the pretty same thing we've done before. So well, just give me a, 1 minute. Sorry. So as you can see, let's go here. We can just copy, duplicate, sorry, duplicate. Now we can put this here. All right, and instead of 3 we can just do 4, just like so. So just give me 1 sec. Okay. Okay, so I'm back. Yeah, maybe I'm not back, I was here all along. So the answer is obviously Himalayas. Everyone knows that, but I just had a little trouble finding it. Please don't consider that problem, okay? So if the answer is number C, okay, so if the answer is number C, then it will happen. So let's see. Okay, what is the capital of the USA? I know it's number C. Thank you. It's number D. Thank you. It's obviously Pacific. Thank you. Which range? Oh, as you can see, the thing is, perfectly fine. Okay. So now let's go to costumes again. Go here, and we can just paint. So go here, click on the mouse. We can just select everything and copy. Now let's go here and paste it, obviously. And we have to change some things, like our question number, right? Our question number. So click on text and do 5, and our 5 will be what is the longest, right? Longest river river? Okay, that's a pretty fair question, I say. And I can just go here. Oh, sorry. Now click on enter. And here I can just delete it. Okay. Now I can just, okay. This will do just fine. Now, obviously, we must change our options because these aren't even, reversed. So our first option will be Amazon. Yeah, many companies are named after it. Now our second option will be Nile. Now our third option will be Yangtze. I don't even know how to pronounce it. It's just, so hard. But never mind. Yangtze. And our third will be Mississippi, which is a river located in America, I think. See? Mississippi. Oh my god. No wonder these are so hard to pronounce, like America. Okay, now let's go into the code. Okay, now let's go here. Click on the right side of your mouse. Now click on duplicate. Now we can just put it below. Now, after waiting 0.7 seconds, we can switch costume to costume number 5. Now, if our option is the longest river, well, I think I forgot this question, but never mind. I still know the answer because I'm smart, obviously. Alright, so the answer should be Nile, right? So, yeah, it is Nile. Never mind. Now it will be B. Okay, let's try this out. You have 10 seconds. Okay, start. What is the capital of the USA? And one more thing, guys, I just want to show our time. So let's just delete hide, and we can just show. Look at my variable and do time. Okay. I can just set it here, so it's alone. Okay. All right. As you can see, it's still going. So after switching back blue sky to number 2, let's go to events and can broadcast. Click on tick, make a new message, call this change. You can name it whatever you want. Now let's go to sprite number 1. Okay, now all right, now we can do when I receive change. Okay, then let's go to variables, set, click on my variable and do time to 10, because we have 10 seconds obviously. So let's see. As you can see, it's again set to 10. Okay, so it can go here. All right, so after we are done answering, then after waiting, we can just set our time back to 10. Okay, similarly we will set our, click on my variable into time to 10. Okay, same operation here, time to 10. And last but not least, my variable to time to 10. So it should work. I can just place it somewhere here. Okay, all right, it will be C. As you can see, it's again 10. It will be D. As you can see, it's again 10. Now it should be B, Pacific. Okay, it's again 10. All right, now let me see. Whew. And it will be B. Okay, right. Now, after the last one, let's go here and you can just stop all. So let's see. So after our last one, it should stop. So. Okay. What can be? Oh my god. Oh, the very last second. It'll be D. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. It'll be B. B. Simpler again. And it should be, number C. It should be number B. All right. And as you can see, it should stop. Okay, just like so. Now, as you can see, since our time works, we can just delete show time and hide time. Okay, now last thing, let's go to stage, let's go to backdrops. We can click on paint on the backdrop, so go here, so click on the mouse. Now select everything, so I'll just click on copy. Now go here and click on paste. Okay, now let's click on text and do, I will just choose a orangish. Okay, so if we don't have enough time, so we'll say time over. Okay, so let's just make this big, like so, even bigger. It says time over. Now we can just choose a dark green, just like so, and I will do click the green flag to restart. Click the green flag to restart, and I might make this a little big, maybe a bit too big. It will do. Actually, I can make this something like this. Alright, so when the green flag is clicked, alright, then actually let's go here and copy everything. Now click on copy. Now just delete backdrop number 2. Now we can paint another sprite, so just paste this and position it 0 0. So go to the X and make this 0. Similarly make this 0, just like so. Now let's go to the code. Let's go to effects and we'll drag it. When the green flag is clicked, let's go to looks, hide. Okay, now let's go to controls for Aver, if then block. Now let's go to operators. You can just drag it equal to block. Now let's go to variables. So if our time is equal to 0, then let's go to looks. We will first of all show, then let's go to controls, then we'll stop everything. That's all. So just to show you that it works, I won't write anything. Okay, so start. I won't write anything. It should work after 10 seconds. Yep. And now we'll paint our last sprite. Okay, so go here, copy everything, so click on copy. Now go here and click on paste. Now we can delete this, but we will keep this and bring back the original thing. So let's write, well done. Well done. You win. You win. Okay, now let's select the mouse thing, make this smaller, place it here. Okay, I'll make this a little big. It'll go here. Now select the mouse thing. And actually I'll select this somewhere here. And actually I will select the fill to be a little of bluish color. All right, now let's go here. Okay, when the green flag is clicked, let's go to controls. We'll drag a forever block. Instead of one flag clicked, you can just delete this. All right, now let's go to sprite number 1. We can go to the very bottom. Instead of stopping all, let's go to events. Then we can just broadcast well done. Okay, like so. Now let's go to sprite number 3. When I receive change, click on change and do well done. When I receive well done, then let's go to controls. We'll stop all. Let's go to looks. We'll show. Okay, now let's go to events. We'll drag it when the green flag is clicked. Now let's go to looks. Then we can just hide. So hopefully if I answer everything, so let's see. Oh my god, I think that was a close call. I think it's Indian. No, Pacific. Whew. Himalayas. Last, the Nile. Oh yeah, it does show, but I just want that. Let's go to motion. It will go to XY 0 0. Our last try. Let's see. Okay, our first option will be first C. Whew. And no, D. Whew. No, B. Whew. C. Yeah. Well done. Click the green flag to reset. Okay. To restart. Okay. Now the last thing. Let's go to sprite number 1. All right. Else when I broadcast wrong, then we'll just paint our last sprite. So go here, select everything, copy this. Now let's go here and just paste. Now let's just delete the well done you win and change this to game over. All right, now we'll make this big. Yeah, we'll select the fill and select a dark yellow color. You win plus game over. Now when the green flag is clicked, we can just hide. Now let's do when I receive change. Let's go here and we can just show. And instead of change, let's go here. Sorry, here. Okay. Else broadcast wrong. Plus let's go here. We can broadcast new message. Call this over. Oh, it don't work. Click on the enter. Now similarly we'll broadcast an over. Oh, now need to make over here. Just drag it over. Here we can also drag it over. And the last, we can just drag one over. Now let's go here. When I receive, click on sorry, when I receive over, you can show. Then let's go to motion and we can just go to X0 and Y0. Now let's go to controls, stop all. Plus we can just drag this in a forever block. So our last test. Okay, I will just do a, yeah, it works pretty fine. Now the last thing, you might ask, what is the witch doing here? I mean, doesn't it have a word? Of course it does. So let's just show this. Okay, it doesn't show it. So as you can see, it is doing it when it receives well done. So let's go here. When I receive, click on change and do well done, and then let's just go here and show. All right, now if I just show it, yeah, we can just go to back layer here. All right, now 70 is too low, something like 50. Okay, it will do. Then first of all it will show, then it will say well done, well done, just like so. And remember guys, you can add thousands and billions of questions if you want. It's your choice. I just added 5, so let's go here. Now our last test. Okay, I'm full ready. First of all it will be C, thank you. Next will be D, thank you. Then it will be Pacific, obviously. It will be Himalayas. Oof. Now it will be the Nile. Hey, say something. Okay, it won't stop everything. Okay, it won't stop everything. Let's just drag it for a river block, and this will stop everything. So this is our last try, I guess, and hopefully it should work. So first of all it will be C, okay. Now it will be D, okay. Now it will be B, okay. And now it will be C, okay. Oh, last B. Well done. Yeah, it works pretty fine. So guys, that's all I wanted to show in this tutorial. If you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to my channel. As you might be surprised to know, it's literally past 12. And still, I'm just making videos for you guys. So all I ask in return is just one like and subscribe. Goodbye.